Sean, we're going to get you set up here. Mark's going to get that set up for you, so just give him a moment. He's a professional.
I'll keep it away from your eye, yeah. That's probably good right there.
So we're going to do a scene, and you're going to provide all the sound effects for the scene using that microphone and your mouth. So let's practice. Let's say I've got a shotgun and I fire the shotgun. What would that sound like? Okay.
Yeah, like that.
All right, let's try that again. An improvement. All right, turn on some water in the sink. I've got a cat. And a dog. And a baby. My baby has sickle cell. He likes the movement. Alright, so that's Sean, he'll provide the sound effects. And you, what is the first letter of your first name? K. Something that starts with the letter K that you could use to kill someone. Kite! What?
A carrot!
Somebody said a carrot? A knife. Okay, but now what's one of the weird ones that would be? A knife and ketchup. So, death involving a knife and ketchup.
It's empty, dude. I'm going to get more ketchup out of here. I don't care.
Man, you throw the worst barbecues. No one showed up but me.
I'm poor. I can't afford to buy more ketchup, all right?
Man, look at this spread, though. You got nothing out here.
That's not true.
Instead of cheese, you got a little pile of pebbles.
They're really small because I'm that poor.
Man, look, you said this was going to be a party. You said there was going to be girls here, Drake. Come on.
Oh, great.
Sorry I'm late.
This is what you meant by girls?
Mario. Hold on, my cell phone's ringing. And there's an Arabian woman outside. Hold on. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Sean, is that you?
Yeah.
It's my friend, he can't quit putting the things. I told you, your aim is bad, I can't help you.
Don't know what to tell you. You're good. Hang up on him!
Sounds like he has something in his mouth.
One girl between the two of us? How's this going to work?
Come on, where's the food?
There's some pebbles over here.
I don't want any pebbles.
Well, there's one burger sizzling on the grill, that's it.
Wow, it kept sizzling even when you lifted it up. It's really got some bite to it.
No, I went on the boomerang earlier.
Well, I'm gonna have a beer.
Good luck.
I just cocked this beer.
Here, you gotta take the safety off if you want to drink it.
Thanks, that would have been horrible.
Yeah, you don't want to have a beer accident. You know what? Here,
Jesus!
cheap ass now. There's a lot of beer in there.
Wow, that's a soft can.
Have another beer. Have another one, for real.
Another one?
Yeah.
All right.
I got you, Drake. Yeah, keep drinking them.
Now, while you're drinking it, I'm going to try to get more ketchup out of this bottle.
And while you're doing that, I'm going to flip this burger